What's going on, guys? Good morning. I'm out here all by myself today. Only have a few hours. I gotta go to work here in a little bit, so we gotta hit spots quick and we gotta hit them fast. We gotta keep moving. We're gonna throw moving baits a lot. There's a dam right here. We're gonna hit that first. I've been here one time and I've only caught one fish out of here, but it was a 5-pounder. So let's try to do that again. Anyway, before we get going, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button for me, and then drop a like at some point in the video, and let's get fishing. Baby, let's go. That is how you want them to do it right there. On that Gilligan. Smack him. Let's go. Right, let's get this guy back. Let's get some more cast with that Gilligan. There you go. See you, buddy. Thanks for the bite. Got a little guy. Got a little guy on the old square bill. On the old square bill. All right. All right, I'm back on the exact same lake as I was previously. We're gonna pretty much do the same thing. We're gonna fish this dam, fish the riprap. Probably got a half-a-mile stretch of dam, and then we'll probably have to hit one of these back creeks. There's a lot of docks here, but I don't really like the docks because they're all pretty shallow. But anyway, let's go catch them. Before we get going though, make sure y'all hit that sub, drop a like, and then let's go catch them. Got one. I knew they had to be on this ledge. Ooh, this guy is beat up. Hit that right under the boat. There he is. Look at this guy. This might be. This is a spot. This is a little spotted bass, I think. It's got a little rough patch on his tongue. Look at that. You guys see that? Anyway, that's crazy. A little spotted bass, maybe. I don't know. Right off that ledge. Hit it right under the boat. That's what I'm talking about. Alright, that's one in the boat. That's one in the boat. Alright, let's go back to that ledge. Caught this. 6 cents. I believe this is like the C10 or something like that. We just got thumped big time. right in between these two stumps. Hit it again. There he is. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, man. Oh, he's a good one. He's a good one. He's a good one. He's a good one. Oh. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. You're good. Let's go. Oh. Let's go. This is the one that thumped my chatterbait. He's screaming my drag. Oh. That was sweet. That was sweet. One hook in him. Man, these 6-inch trebles just get her done. Let's go. Healthy, healthy fish. Let's get this guy. Yes, sir. There we go. I knew if we put that weight on there and punched that grass, we could get one. But man, these fish are beat up. Look at this thing. Look at that. It's beat up. Oh well. Alright, so that was off of that clump. How much y'all want to bet there's probably some more fish in here? Let's see. I am pretty darn sure we will catch some more fish in here. Alright guys, well that's going to wrap it up for today. Didn't have time to film an intro for that particular day. I was in a rush trying to get home. I had a long drive home and I had to go to work. So, good 2 days of fishing there. Good 2 days. It was during that tough fall transition time. As you can see, I don't even have that boat anymore. I actually sold it. Got the old low Stinger 175 now. So, videos and that will be coming real soon. We're kind of backlogged on videos that we have rolling right now, so you'll see the old John boat a couple more times, and then we'll get this low Stinger on the channel. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button for me, drop a like, and we'll catch y'all next time. As always, y'all go catch a biggin.